So today I'll be showing you how to use voice typing in Google Docs. So you can actually use your voice to type in Google Docs, which makes this dictation typing much faster than normal typing with your keyboard. Now, Google Docs has this built in, so all you have to do is go to the menu bar at the top, click on Tools, and then under Tools, you will see voice typing, and you can click on that, and you should see this little window appear. Now, you can also make it appear by pressing Control, Alt, and Shift. Control, Shift, and S. Okay, so Control, Shift, S. When you press those together, they'll also make that appear. So Control, Shift, S. It appears again. Now, keep in mind that this little thing, once it appears, you're not ready to do voice typing. You have to actually click on the microphone. Now, it will only work if your computer has a connected microphone. Now, most laptops will have a built-in microphone. If you have a PC that doesn't have a microphone, you do need an external microphone. And the better quality of microphone you use, the better it's going to hear you and write what you're dictating. So I have a microphone, so I'll just click on this. And now you can see voice typing in Google Docs in all its glory. Period. This makes typing much easier and much faster, especially for the book I'm about to write, which you will find on Amazon when it's ready. Period. So once you're done typing, or when you want to take a break, you just click on that red microphone icon, and then you can see this is what you get with Google Voice Typing, and it's extremely accurate. Okay, now sometimes you might need to change some of this punctuation. For instance, this needed to be a capital T, and some other things you might need to change here and there, but we can all agree this is way faster than typing with your keyboard. Now, this tool has multiple languages. You can see it's in English US by default because that's the language I use. But if you click on this little drop down arrow, you can see there are plenty of more languages available for you to dictate to Google Docs in. So for instance, if you prefer to type in Italiano, you can just select Italiano and just use voice typing in Italian. So it's very useful. Once you're done with it, you can just close it by clicking there. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.